Have you ever wondered why cancer, a disease so prevalent, remains shrouded in mystery? Cancer, a term that sends a wave of fear across minds, is a complex group of diseases with numerous possible causes. The mystery of this ailment is a puzzle that scientists and doctors worldwide are still trying to solve. Cancer is not a single disease, but a collection of related diseases. It can start almost anywhere in the human body, which is made up of trillions of cells. Normally, human cells grow and divide to form new cells as the body needs them. When cells grow old or become damaged, they die, and new cells take their place. However, when cancer develops, this orderly process breaks down. Cells become abnormal, old or damaged cells survive when they should die, and new cells form when they are not needed. These extra cells can divide without stopping and may form growths called tumors. Many factors play a role in the development of cancer. The most significant are genetics and lifestyle factors. Genetic factors can play a significant role, especially in certain types of cancer. Some people have certain genes that make them more susceptible to the disease. But it's not just about the genes we inherit. Certain lifestyle factors such as tobacco use, certain types of viral infections, or exposure to radiation and certain chemicals can also cause changes in the DNA within cells leading to cancer. But here's the catch. Not everyone exposed to these factors develops cancer. So what else is at play? Are there other triggers lurking in our environment or within our own bodies that we're not aware of yet? The truth is, despite significant advances in research, there are still aspects of cancer's cause that remain a mystery. It's like a jigsaw puzzle with some pieces still missing, and that's why awareness and understanding of this disease are so vital. Because the more we know, the better we can protect ourselves and our loved ones. Yet, there are still some unknown factors that contribute to cancer that we still don't fully understand. But every day we're getting closer to completing the puzzle. So, what are these unknown reasons that contribute to cancer? Let's delve into the lesser-known factors that scientists are uncovering in their quest to understand this complex disease. Firstly, our environment plays a more significant role than we initially thought. Air pollution, for instance, is a silent killer. Fine particles in the air can infiltrate our respiratory system, causing inflammation and DNA damage, which may lead to cancer over time. Similarly, prolonged exposure to certain chemicals or substances, such as asbestos or radon, can also increase cancer risks, often without us even realizing it. Next, we turn our attention to the microscopic world of viruses. Some viral infections, like the human papillomavirus and hepatitis B and C, have been linked to certain types of cancer. These viruses can cause long-term infections in the body, leading to inflammation and cellular changes that might result in cancerous growths. Lastly, we come to the realm of our own bodies, specifically the immune system. Sometimes glitches in our immune system can lead to cancer. For instance, immune system disorders like autoimmune diseases can cause chronic inflammation, which may increase the risk of cancer. Alternatively, a weakened immune system might not be able to detect and destroy cancer cells effectively, allowing them to proliferate. It's important to remember that these factors don't guarantee a cancer diagnosis, but they do increase the risk. The good news is that awareness and understanding of these unknown reasons can lead to better prevention strategies. By reducing exposure to harmful environmental elements, getting vaccinated against cancer-related viruses, and maintaining a healthy immune system, we can take significant steps towards cancer prevention. Understanding these unknown reasons not only broadens our knowledge about cancer, but also helps in early detection and prevention. So let's continue to explore, learn, and take action to safeguard our health against this formidable foe. But why is early detection so crucial in the fight against cancer? Imagine for a moment two teams of hikers. One team has a map, compass, and an early start to their journey. The other sets off late, without clear directions. Who do you think stands a better chance of reaching the summit? The answer is pretty clear. In the war against cancer, early detection is our map and compass. It equips us with the knowledge and time needed to effectively combat the disease. The sooner cancer is identified, the better the chances of halting its progression, improving survival rates, and enhancing the quality of life for those affected. Early detection can mean the difference between localized cancer, which is generally easier to treat, and metastasized cancer, which has spread to other parts of the body and becomes significantly harder to manage. It's the difference between a minor detour on our journey or a potentially insurmountable obstacle. Now you might ask, how can we ensure early detection? Today, we have a variety of screening methods at our disposal for different types of cancer. For instance, mammograms for breast cancer, PAP smears for cervical cancer, and colonoscopies for colorectal cancer, to name a few. These tests are designed to identify abnormalities before they develop into full-blown cancer, or in the earliest stages of the disease. It's important to note that these screenings are not just for those who exhibit symptoms or are at high risk. They are for everyone. Because cancer, just like that mountain, doesn't discriminate. It doesn't care if you're fit as a fiddle or if you've never smoked a day in your life. It can affect anyone. So, let's arm ourselves with knowledge, take advantage of the tools available to us, and make regular screenings a part of our health routine. Because the earlier we can detect cancer, the better our chances of conquering it, of reaching our summit, and of continuing our journey. Remember, early detection can save lives. Do you want to be a part of the solution? Now that's a question that carries some weight. We spent the last few minutes unraveling the mystery of cancer, exploring its unknown reasons, and highlighting the significance of early detection. It's crucial information indeed, but knowledge alone won't turn the tide against this formidable adversary. So what's the next step, you ask? It's simple. We must spread the word. Imagine for a moment, every person who watches this video tells 2 others about what they've learned. Those 2 tell 2 more, and so on. Before you know it, we've created a ripple effect of awareness that reaches far and wide. That's the power you hold right now. The power to make a difference, to potentially save lives, just by sharing what you know. But hey, let's not stop there. You see, this channel is more than just a platform for education. It's a community, a place where we can learn, grow, and support each other in our health journeys. So, how about we make this relationship official? Go ahead, click that like button. It's a small gesture, but it allows us to reach more people with our message. And while you're at it, why not hit the subscribe button too? That way you'll never miss out on a new video. You'll be one of the first to learn about the latest discoveries in health, the newest insights into cancer, and so much more. It's like having a front row seat to the most important health discussions of our time. Remember, every click, every share, every conversation you start about cancer can make a difference. It's not just about being informed. It's about taking that knowledge and using it to inspire change, to challenge the status quo, and to ignite a spark of hope in the face of adversity. So will you join us in this mission? Will you be a part of the solution? Together, we can make a difference in the fight against cancer. So, what have we learned today about the unknown reasons of cancer? We've journeyed through a deeply fascinating yet sobering topic, unraveling the enigma that is cancer. We began by delving into the mystery of this disease, understanding its complexity and multifaceted nature. It's not just about the commonly known causes like smoking, radiation, or heredity. We ventured into the lesser-known territories, highlighting how factors like certain infections, environmental pollutants, and even stress can potentially play a role in its onset. We then transitioned into the silent, often overlooked reasons for cancer. These obscure factors can easily go unnoticed, hidden in the shadows of our daily lives. Our discussion ranged from dietary habits, exposure to certain chemicals, to prolonged inflammation. These are important considerations that remind us to pay attention to our bodies and the environments we inhabit. But perhaps the most crucial takeaway from our discussion today is the importance of early detection. The sooner we identify the signs of this disease, the better our chances of overcoming it. Regular screenings, self-examinations, and maintaining open, honest dialogues with our healthcare providers can make all the difference. It's about being proactive, not just reactive. In our call to action, we encouraged you to not just passively consume this information, but to actively engage with it. Share what you've learned, foster discussions, and most importantly, apply this knowledge in your own life. Your health is your wealth, and it's worth every effort to protect it. As we conclude, let's remember that understanding cancer is not about instilling fear, but fostering awareness. This awareness empowers us, equipping us with the knowledge we need to take control of our health. It's about making informed decisions, recognizing potential risks, and taking proactive steps towards prevention. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay healthy.